Probability is equal to favorable chances divided by number of chances. This is a figure which shows. So totally how many numbers? Numbers are 1 to 100. Greater than 75 means how much left over? So in a 52 playing cards, we have got 4 divisions you have got. The 4 divisions are, one is the spade. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyaashram First Aid College, a temple of excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand Statistics for Management 2, 6th semester Unit 4 and Session 2. In the last session, we already discussed about the probability. This time, we are going to have another session about the probabilities as are considered. So, we are going to be the Session 2 of BBA of 6th semester. So we are dealing with the probability. What is probability? Means chances. When we have a what is the probability meaning? No, favorable chances divided by total number of chances. When a coin is tossed, so we can have a head, we can have a tail, or we can have a head, we can have a tail. Chances are bar. But generally we say there are 2 chances, one head and one tail. On the same basis, we are going to solve the problem now. We'll move on to problem now. Probability is equal to favorable chances divided by number of chances. This is a figure which shows favorabilities are number of chances divided by total number of favorable chances divided by total number of chances. So we'll go there. Tickets are numbered from 1 to 100. So 1, 2, 3, up to 100 tickets are numbered. A ticket is drawn at random. What's the probability that the drawn tickets has even number greater than 75, multiple of 8, perfect square they say. First one, even number. Even number is total is 100, even is 50%, no, half even, half uneven, no. So 50% is even, another 50% is not even, it is 50 by 100. Favorable chance is 50, total number of tickets is 100, it is 1 by 2 is equal to 0.5. This question is asked. I think understand? So even numbers are half even numbers, another half uneven numbers, totally 100 is there, no? He is asking the even number, 50% is even number, another 50% is uneven number. Now, number 2, greater than 75. So totally how many numbers? Numbers are 1 to 100. Greater than 75 means how much left over? Only 25 divided by 100. This is 1/4. I think first you understand even number. Half is even number, half is uneven number. Greater than 75, how much left over? Only 25. 25 by 100 is considered, is 1/4 is equal to 0.5. Then, multiple of 8. You have got multiple of 8. Which are the number that comes within 100? Multiple of 8. So, 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are, 8 fours are, 8 fives are, 8 sixes are, 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. 8 nines are 73. 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are, 8 fives are, 8 sixes are, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80, then 8 11s are 88, 8 12s are 96. Next is 100 now. So he says multiple of 8, he says no. So multiple of 8 will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See that 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are, 8 fours are, 8 fives are, 8 sixes are, 8 sevens are, 8 eights are, 8 nines are, 8 tens are, 8 elevens are, 8 12s are. So perfect. Divide by 8, then 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are 4, 8 4. So 1, 2, this is 10 now, 11, 12. So it is 12 divided by total number of tickets are 100. 12 divided by 100. 0.2. 0.12. Then we move on to next one. Perfect square, he says. Perfect square. It should be perfect square. 1 to 100. 1 is a square. 4 is a square. What is the next one? It should be square. So then we have got 16 is a square. It should be square only. 4, it should be perfect square. 4, then we have got 16 is a square. 1 is a square. 4 is a square. 4 square. 9 is a square. 3 square. 4 is 16. 5 is 25. 6 is 36. 7 is 49. 8 is 64. 9 is 81. 10 won't come because 10 is 100. Even 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is there. We can have, because 1 to 100 is only one name. So 1 is a square. 10 tens are 100 is a square. 4 is a square. This is 100. 4 is a 2 square. 16 is 4 square. 9 is 3 square. 25 is 5 square. 36 is 6 square. 49 is 7 square. 64 is 8 square. 81 is 9 square. 100 is 10 square. Start from 1. So numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 divided by 100. This is 1 by 10. 1 divided by 10. 0.1. Hope you understand. He wants the perfect square. 1 is a square. 4 is a square, 2 square. 16 is 4 square. 9 is 3 square. 25 is 5 square. 36 is 6 square. 49 is 7 square. 64 is 8 square. 81 is the 9 square. 100 is the 10 square. Total number of chances 10 divided by 100. Hope you understand this point. A pack of playing cards contain 52 cards. In a playing cards, we have got 52 cards. There are 4 suits, namely, one is the spade, another is the heart, another is the diamond, another is the club. There are 4 categories. So spade, you have got 13 cards. Heart, 13 cards. Diamond, 13 cards. Then club, 13 cards. So we have got 4 king, 4 queen. So here, starting 4 king, we have got 1 to 10 is the jack. Jack, queen and king. This your turn. Jack, queen and king is there. So, only 2 colors we have got. Black and red. In a 52 cards, we have got only 2 division. One is the black, one is the 26 cards, black. 26 cards, red. Totally 52 cards. 13, 13, 13, 4s. 26 cards are black. This belongs to black. Another 26 cards are red. So you have to understand this. So in a 52 playing cards, we have got 4 divisions you have got. The 4 divisions are, one is the spade, one is the heart, one is the diamond, one is the club. So in each suit there are 13 cards. Each one is called suit. Spade is one suit, heart is another suit, diamond is another suit, club is another suit. Start cards starting from 1 to 10, jack, queen and king. So 4 queen, 4 king is there. We'll move on to problem now slowly. 2 cards are drawn from a pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that both are queen. So how many cards have drawn? 2 cards. We have got the 2 cards. You write 2 cards drawn. Out of 52. It is 52C2. 52C2. How to write? 52 into 51 divided by 2 into 1. 52C2. How to write? 52 into 51. This is nothing but combination formula. In combination, you are writing now NCN, n factorial divided by n minus n factorial into n factorial. This formula you are going to use. This NCN, n factorial divided by n minus n factorial into n factorial. Same thing. Instead of that, we can write this 52C to 2 times. So 26 into 51. So many chances? 26 into 51. 1326 chances. 1326. Total number of chances. What's the first question? Both are queens. Both are queens. Both are queen. How many queens are there? 4. We have to draw how much? 2. 4C2 divided by 52C2. What is 4C2? 4 into 3 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 1326. This is 6 divided by 132. That is 6 divided by 1326. This is 6 divided by 1326. Division. 6 divided by 13326. Then we move on to next one. Both are diamonds. Then both are diamonds. So we have got 13 cards, diamond cards. It is 13C2 divided by 52C2. 13C2 divided by 52C2. How to write? 13 into 12 divided by 52C2 you already work out. 1326. 156 divided by 1326. 156 divided by 1326. So it is 156 divided by 1326.117. I will repeat. We can go with 156 divided by 1326. This is 117, 0.117. We'll go to next one. Next one question. Both are diamonds over. One spade, one club. One spade and one club. This is 13C1 into 13C1 divided by 52C2. 13C1 is 13 into 13 divided by 52C2. So 13 into 13, 13 into 13, 169 divided by 1326 divided by 1326. So 169 divided by 1326.127. 0.127. We'll move on to next one. Both are king, one spade. Two cards belongs to same color. 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 Two cards belong to same color. So you have got 2 divided by 26 plus 2 divided by 26. Because 26 cards one side, another 26 cards are there. This is 2 cards belongs to same color. 2 divided by, you have got totally 52 cards. 2 divided by 52C2 plus 2 divided by 52C2. Here, come back here. 2 means 26C2 divided by 52C2 plus 26C2 divided by 52C2. 26C2 divided by 52C2. I will write here. 26C2 divided by 52C2 plus 26C2 divided by 52C2. This is 26 into 25 divided by 52C2 plus 26 into 25 divided by 52C2. 26 into 25. This is 26 into 25, 650. This is 650 divided by 52C2. So 52C2 is 1326 plus 650, 1326. 1326 belongs to same color. What is the question they ask? Two cards belongs to same color. Same color. So 26C2 This is 26. We can write this. Same color. 26C2 divided by 52C2. 26C2 divided by 52C2. 650 divided by 1326. Simplify. 26C2 plus 52C2, 2650. I have written 26 into divided by 52C2, 26 into 25 divided by 52C2. This is, will come 650 divided by 1326. So 650 divided by 1326, 0.49. I think understand, belongs to same color. 2650, it will come 650 divided by 1326. 1326. Okay. So a card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. A card is drawn. See the question. A card is drawn from a pack of 52 cards. A queen or a king. A queen. Queen is equal to 4. A card is drawn from a pack of cards. Either a queen or a... So 4C1 divided by 52C1. Is a king also 4? 4C1 divided by 52C1. 4C1, this goes to queen. This is 4C1 is 4 divided by 52. 4 divided by 52. This is 8 divided by 52. This is 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 3, 2 by. So a queen, one queen, there are 4 queen, one is drawn, 4C1 divided by 52C1, 4 by 52. It may be king, 4 divided by 52. So a spade or diamond, a spade, 13C1 divided by 52C1, diamond, 13C1 divided by 52C1. 13 by 52 plus 13 by 52. This is 26 divided by 52. Red color or black? Red or black? Red is 26. Red. 26C1 divided by 52C1. Black. 26C1 divided by 52C1. This is nothing but 26 divided by 52 plus 26 divided by 52. This is nothing but, if you take 52 as LCM, so 26 plus 26, 52 divided by 52 is equal to 1. Then 7 of heart, 3 of diamonds. 7 of heart, 3 of diamonds. One card, no? 1 divided by 52 for heart, 3 of diamond, 1 by 52. This is 52, 1 plus 1, 2 by 52. 1 of heart, 1 of diamond, 2 by 52. This is 2 divided by 52. 2 ones are 1 by 26. So 7 of heart, 3 of diamond, 1 by 52, 1 by 52, nothing but 2 by 52. Hope you understand. So from a class of 30 boys and 40 girls, so total students, so 30 boys plus 40 girls is equal to 70 students. Two randomly selected is equal to 70 C2. What is 70 C2? 70 into 69, 2 into 1. So 35, this is 35 into 69. 2415, total chances. 2415. Now, the problem says, so they are boys. Selection is boys. How many boys are there? 30. 2 selected out of 30 boys, 30 C2. Therefore, probability is equal to 30 C2 divided by 70 C2. What is 30 C2? 30 into 29, 2 into 1 divided by 2415. This is 2 15s. So 15 into 29, 15 into 29, 435. 435 divided by 2415. 435 divided by 2415. 0.18. So this goes in favor of boys. Both are girls. Total girls is equal to 40. 2 selected. So probability is equal to 40 C2 divided by 70 C2. This is 40 into 39 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 70 C2. 780 divided by 2520. 780 divided by 2520. 780 divide 780. This is 780 divided by 2520. 0.309. 0.309. Next. So boys over, girls over. 1 boy, 1 girl. 1 boy and 1 girl. So 1 boy, 30 C1 into 1 girl, 40 C1, totally 70 C2. What is 30 C1? 30. What is 40 C1? 40. This is 70 into 69. This is 1200. 70 into 69 divided by 2 into 1. You already divided it. So it is 1520. 1200 divided by 2520, 0.476. Both are girls. Total girls are here. Total girls are here now. This is 2415, 2415. This is 780. So 40C2 divided by 70C2, 40 into 39, 780 divided by 2415. 780 divided by 2415. 0.32. This is 780 divided by 2415. This is 0.32. So I'll repeat, 40C2, 70C2. This is 40C2 divided by 70C2, 40 into 39. This 70C2 is nothing but 2415. So 40 into 39 divided by 2 into 1, 2 2s are 4. 780 divided by 2415. So 780 by 0.32. Same thing here. Same thing here. 1 by 1 girl, 37, 47 divided by 40. 37 is 30. 47 is 40. 70C2 is 2415. Remember, it is not 2520, it is 2415. So 37 is 30, 47 is 40, 2415. 1200 divided by 2415. 1200 divided by 2415. 0.49. So 0.496. This is 0.49. I think you understand this. 40 into 39 divided by 2415. It is not 2520. It is 2415. This is 70C2. 70 into 69 divided by 2 into 1. This is 70C2 is equal to 70 into 69 divided by 2 into 1. So 35 into 69, 2415. Carefully you have to take. It is not 2520, it is 2415. 2415 is 0.32. Hope you understand. So total number of students is 70. You have to select only 2 students to be selected. 30C2 divided by 2415.8. Boys are there. 40C2 divided by 70C2. Selected is boys. How many boys are there? 30C2, 72. 30 into 29 divided by 2415.18. Then girls are there. 40C2 divided by 70 is only 2. Both are girls. Totally 42 selected. 40C2 divided by 70C2. This is 40C2 and 40 into 39 divided by 2415. You have to take this. 2415. It is 32. Then 1 boy and 1 girl. 30 is you have got 30 boys, 40 girls, 30C1, 40C1, 70C2. 30 into 40 divided by 2415. 1200 into 2415 is 0.49. So 1 from a boy, 1 from a girl we have selected out of 2015. Hope you understand. All types you have done. But only thing you must be careful. We did a little bit mistake. It is 17 to say it come 2415, not 2520. Make a correction of this. 2415. It is 2415. Total student 72 selected. 70C2 2415. It's only boys 30C2. Only girls we have got 40C2. 1 boy, 1 girl. 30 into 40 divided by. Hope you understand. We have solved all types of problem. Even cards we have gone and the student selection we have gone. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next class with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next class.